How's it going, everybody? My name's Jeff, and today I'm going to show you how to make a straight line bigger in Microsoft Word. The straight line feature is really nice for breaking up your text and compartmentalizing things, and sometimes you just need a bigger line, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to start with your blank document here, and you're going to insert a line first of all. So you go down to Shape and Insert, which is under symbol above text box. Click Shape. And there's all the shapes you can choose from. And then you're going to choose the line, and you're going to do a straight line. Let's just put it right across the document here. Boom. That's where you want it. And so you'll then right-click, hold Control and then click it, and you can go down to Format Shape. Once you hit that, you can first of all change the color, which I'll do anyway, just black, make it stick out a little more, and then go into Weights and Arrows. And you are going to increase the weight, which is essentially increasing like the font size. You're increasing the arrow size. So it's at 0.2 right now. So I'm going to put it up to 10. Let's do that. And you can already see right there it gets way bigger. And so you hit OK, and look at that. That's a big line. Much bigger than the one that we had before. And that's how you make a straight line bigger in Microsoft Word. I'm Jeff, and thank you for watching.